Oh, man. Take a look at that. Perfect.
Let's get this ball rolling.
We out.
Cheers to the 50s.
Whoa, you gotta check this out. We're gonna be doing some Guinness balls. You ever heard of that? You gotta check this out. It's perfect for tailgating, and it's real easy to do. So this recipe comes direct from the brewery itself, from the chef there. This is the way it's done by Guinness themselves, so we're gonna do it the same way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with some fresh ground beef. All right, simple. No spices, nothing else, just the Guinness. And no, Guinness didn't pay us to do this. This is just awesome, right? Perfect for tailgating. And of course, this is a stout, as you know. Plenty of flavor in here. And we're just going to add some. And we're going to how easy is that, huh? Oh, and it feels real good too. Oh yeah, it feels good. So, the balls part is the meat to ball. So, again, no seasoning, just the Guinness, and you gotta check this out. So we're gonna make some mini meatballs, right? You can make them any way you want. All right, you just like that. That looks pretty good. That might look a little too big. Maybe we'll make it smaller. It's all up to you. This is called Pitmaster privilege, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and make a bunch of these because it's gonna be a good game today. Now, there's nothing like a good stout like Guinness, right? I mean, it's a great Sunday morning drink. It's a great Saturday night drink. Anytime you want. And to make these Guinness balls, it's a lot of fun, and your fans will love it too. So. All right, now, next, we're going to put them on a grate here, kind of a fine grate, so we don't lose these in a typical grill. So how about that? Oh, nothing else. Now, we have a kettle grill here. We're going to cook them at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. You know that routine, right? So we're going to put them opposite the hot coals. You can see the hot coals going on here. If we put them over top, we're going to burn them, right? So we're going to use this kettle like an oven, right? So this is not going to take long to do. Probably maybe one beer cook. I don't know, maybe two. All right. All right, let's check on these Guinness balls. So depending upon what kind of grate you're using, right, you may or may not have to use this, but we're going to go ahead and flip this just like that. All right. This will help cook it evenly. Oh man, these smell good. I'm telling you. Now I can imagine at a good sized tailgate you got making hundreds of these. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Put the cover on. Wait. So for these Guinness balls, right, they're simple. You saw us put them on the grill like that, but we're gonna, this is what we like to have on the side for dipping. We also have some nice hot sauce because it's all about the sweet, right? And these stout balls, right? I mean, they're so sweet, full of flavor, but heat goes with it, right? I mean, add a little heat, and I think that nails it. So we're gonna serve it with some heat and some different rubs. And because we're tailgating, of course, we got Kansas City here. We got Carolina here. What else we got? We got Martha. Martha's always hanging around, right? We got the Almighty. Thank you, Jesus. And here we got the Buffalo. So, I don't know, KC or Buffalo. Let's go, man. All right, so this is what we're going to be using for our seasoning and kicking up these Guinness balls.
So, meatball dipping.
All right, Bob, let's see what we got here.
How are we going here?
These are just your Guinness balls, that's it.
Look at that, look at that. No little touch taste. Oh, they're almost there.
Oh, look at the
Look
juice.
at that. Look at that. Perfect.
Those are perfect.
Firming up. We'll go another maybe 10 minutes. What?
Those are perfect.
And
Yeah, I say 10 minutes. We're good.
all right, just time enough for another beer, right? You want to get your favorite rubs out. We got a little Almighty here, and of course Buffalo will be in the mix, so we'll pour some Buffalo out here. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be good. You got it. And we got the heat right here. Oh, good. So now let's go get these
Good to go.
these Guinness balls, man. All right. I'd say these balls are ready, man. Let's check this out.
About time we get a little Guinness in it.
Oh, man. Take a look at that. Perfect. Just the way we want them.
Very nice.
So we're going to take them off your grate. We can already see we haven't made enough yet. We'll be doing this for the next 24 hours for the tailgate. All right.
After the game too.
Oh, yeah.
We're up for after the game too.
Yep. So, there we go.
Excellent.
Let's go back to the tailgate. Now, take a look at that.
Perfect.
Now, you can use your fingers, of course. This is the pit. Or you can get a little fancy ass and use these toothpicks, right? So this is what I would normally do, or we do. You grab one just like that. Choose your favorite rub. I think we'll do some buffalo this year, man. Yeah, we'll hit with some buffalo. And here we go. Take a look at this.
Oh, good.
I'm gonna eat in front of you guys, man.
Go ahead.
But get right in here, help yourself, man. Well,
We're going to do a little Kansas City on this one.
oh,
I'm not apologizing. I'm not apologizing. Where's the Carolina pit?
Oh,
Got Carolina pit?
We gotta do Carolina repping.
Yeah, a little bit of Carolina.
oh, I love the taste.
Yeah.
of course,
I'm gonna go in here and praise the Almighty.
you got.
I'm gonna praise the Almighty and give the Almighty a little
Of course, the rubs are adding the sweet
slap.
and heat. Man, tell you what,
Perfect.
we need a little prayer. Sit down. I mean, this is great.
Prayer to the meat.
So,
That'll get your fins a kicking.
yeah, you could probably get a buck a ball at a tailgate.
That's a good one.
Now,
These are perfect.
Delicious.
real tender. The taste profile with that Guinness in there is pretty cool, man. It just
yeah.
really works.
Nice flavor profile from the Guinness.
You take one of these.
Yep.
We use a little bit of Frankie boys.
There you go.
Little
Put a little
Frankie.
heat to your balls, huh?
Little heat.
Yep.
Little heat on the balls.
That's the way she likes it. Look at that. Beautiful.
think you're on something there, Slasher.
Perfect. It's good.
That was. Well, now you know how to do it.
Yes.
Yeah, give me a little bit of that.
Do a little splash.
There you go, man. Perfect.
Put your oil.
So,
Go over here.
You're going to do a little
there we
dip.
go.
Oh, you're going to go with the buffalo.
The next time
Man. So the next time
you're
you're looking for a recipe for your
for
pit,
your pit.
check out these Guinness balls by the BBQ Pit Boys.
Guinness
Thumbs
balls.
up. All right.
All right.
Smells good.
BBQ Pit Boys. There it goes. Let's head. Let's get this ball rolling.
We out.